you see? No, because we.
No. Enough. I insist. Sit. Sit. I insist. I think I'm gonna join you.
Actually, we have a strong. Yourself some nice patch. I'll get your grandmother to needle point that for you. Well, what's going on with you there, Cochise? What's your story? What is that supposed to be? Is he blind? It was when they walked in here.
I'm talking to you. You hear me?
You can hear fine. We don't want any trouble. You get a man, people get broke.
Doug makes kids cry.
What?
Yeah.
You make kids cry. You made my child.
Oh no.
Your kid was crying before she got to me.
Oh, yeah, but I asked you to give her a lollipop and calm her down.
Kid, get us.
You know what? I think we better get out of here.
No. We'll get out of here at sundown.
Yep, Rudy. That's our gang. Hey, who owns that 48 panhead outside?
That's my 48.
So weak.
Right. I'm sick of it. How about a trade?